Now, as I told you earlier, never read each letter. Because already you have learned the letter. ABCD start, now probably even at crush itself. Okay, even lesser than LKG. Even many times, even to join, what is it called? Daycare center also, you have to learn ABC.
Yeah.
Okay. So, because you have learned there, why are you reading that? You don't have to. You just have to take in the word as it is. Now, what happens here? Just read this loudly. Let me see.
The human brain works faster while processing information.
Okay. Actually, not even a single spelling is correct. There are a lot of letters missing. Are we not still able to read it?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So all we need, even if it is a big word, all we need is the first letter and the last letter. We don't need all the letters. Yet, when we actually read, we read every letter as if each letter is going to be very important to us. There can't be any letter beyond ABCD. A to Z, maximum 26 letters. And so many letters don't come at all. So, why are we reading every letter every time? It's a waste of our time. See the amount of energy we are saving, amount of time we are saving, amount of effort we are saving by reading this. So, what I am trying to show you is, it is possible to read even without bothering about each and every letter. Are you convinced?
Yes.
Yes.
This is what makes it speed for you. But unfortunately, we don't read. When we read, we go through each and every letter as if, each letter gives us $1 million or something. But actually, no. This is what is essential. I deliberately put it in a totally awkward way, so that if you go letter by letter, not one word will you be able to read properly. Because none of the words are actually words. It's basically nonsense. But the brain has the capability to fill in that nonsense and make sense out of it. When the brain is automatically capable of doing it, why are you trying to do it consciously, which slows down the brain? This is a question that you have to ask. The brain can do faster on its own. Why are you slowing it down unnecessarily? So, leave the brain to do its work, it will do it automatically. Let us go through some more sentences and see if you can read. Read louder.
However, we tend to slow it down because our previous learning forces us to move our eye muscles
slower.
Move our eye muscles
slower.
So, you are able to get the meaning of this?
Yes.
So, even without one word properly in structure, we are still able to get the meaning of it. Why is it that we actually read every word properly and still we don't get the meaning of it? This is a question we need to ask.
Sir, I have a question on this.
1 second. One more sentence we will read.
We don't remember most of what we read because our reading is too slow.
So, don't bother unlearning. Switch off the connection. How to switch off the connection is to develop a new connection. Once you start learning this way, so what you can do is some of your text, you can write it like this, different spelling. At least you will enjoy doing though.
Yeah.
Okay, now that all of you have computer, just make all sorts of spelling, only leave the first letter and second last letter same. Then read it, you will understand. So, if you pick it up a little, afterwards you can just skim through the whole thing and get the meaning out of it. See, these are all simple sentences. Each sentence takes less time now that the spelling is not there, rather than when the spelling is there. That you can try out. Same sentence you read with the spelling, without the spelling. Without the spelling you will be able to read faster. Because the brain is not bothered about which letter is there, the brain is bothered about to get the meaning. When you have the spelling, you are more bothered about whether the spelling is right or not. That is the copy, someone who checks the spelling, his job. He will have written the spelling properly. Our job is to get the meaning, not to check the spelling. Okay?